Hiya, this is Saoirse. It's All Saints Day, November 1st, Etienne, Samhain, and I just wanted to share a video with you today coming from the Tullaghobegley Cemetary at Reilig An Teampaill here in near Fál Carrach in Donegal Gaeltacht. And I just wanted to say this is an ancient cemetery that was founded, the church that we're in right here, by St Begley, and he was with St Fionnán, and they were both with Colmcille and Naomh Beaglaoch, or St Colmcille, back in the 6th century of the 500 AD, about 8550. And so I thought today would be a good day to come up here and celebrate our ancestors and those that have gone on before after the Samhna last night, so after Halloween last night. This is an ancient cemetery, and one of the things I wanted to point out was that it was the only sacred Catholic ground that was around here in that time period, even up until the 1800s. So people would come over these mountains here, the Direvean Mountains, and over there on the right is Mount Ergal, and they would walk all the way from Gidar or Dhún, all the way over to here to bury the dead in the sacred ground. Alright, and so that's why this cemetery is really special. Now, St Fionnán's over there toward Ray Church, which we've done a video of already, is the modern cemetery on the hill there, right outside of Falcarragh on the east side. So like you're going northeast to Dhún. That's where the modern cemetery is, for at least for Catholics. So I just wanted to point this one out because this is the ancient one, and obviously they still use it today for special people like the Coyle family, like Dan Coyle and different ones. So anyway, it's a beautiful location. This particular church here is probably restored sometime between the last 1500 years, but the wall is still standing, and the graves, a lot of the markers here go back from the 19th century and 18th century, late 1700s that you can read, but mainly from the 1800s on you can read them. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you now, and we'll show you some more pictures and places around here. On the way up, there's a nice walk coming up, and once a year in May, they do a heritage walk where they recreate the walk that people take to bring the bodies over from Gidar, and it's a long walk. It's like, it's like 20 kilometers or 14 kilometers anyway, up and down over the mountains. So it's a long walk. They also do a heritage walk the day before, where you go to the crash site of a Wellington airplane during World War II that left from Lima Wadi to Mina Wadi down in Tullaghobegley, Irish. It was in the middle of the bog there, and you can still see aluminium, and there's a marker there for that too. So if you're ever here at that time period, it's a good walk. It's good for hill walking, and you can see a lot of the countryside as long as it's not raining too hard like it was last time we did. I just want to share that with you. So happy All Saints Day, and remember those that went before us. Shanigafal, Scannánaithe.